Good morning, my friend. Today, I am going to work. Oh, by the way, my business is still on. My little business. When you gonna tell someone if you gonna make a gossip or go blah 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 to somebody, make sure it's okay. Because I'm really embarrassed what you did. Yes, I'm still got my business, everyone. The one that telling is a blah 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 about me. Go la 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 la. It's in your brain to be la 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 la. Not me. Yes, I'm still got my business. Did not close. Oh, don't be sad. Oh, are you sad? Because it's not true. Anyhow, good luck for your new job.